Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's Nisha Babii. If you had a long day at work, or you've just been stressed out, tired of being upset about the holidays, not being able to spend time with your family, just stick with me. I got a treat for y'all. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss it. So I've decided to create something very intimate for you all. This is something I've been working on for a while, and I like to share it with y'all. So right now I have my face mask, my homemade DIY soaps, as well as body scrubs, my wine, my rose petals, my candles to set the mood, and of course my roses and my herbs for the tub. Because we're about to relax, settle down, unwind, and get this gunk, this negativity off of us. It's time to get out of this mindset and get ourselves together so we could be ready. So I'm here right now. I'm going to start it off with my mask. As you see, most of it's already on, but this is the Indian Healing Clay Mask. This is like one of the world's most powerful facials. It's very good for deep pore cleansing. It's good for your hair, good for the skin, the soul. And if you don't know about it, I'm here to hook y'all up. And now here is a real-time view of what the mask looks like on my face. I don't know why a lot of YouTubers do it, but they do. So here it is. And y'all know I couldn't forget my wine. What is a good self-love, self-care routine without my glass? So right here, I'm just showing you my homemade body scrubs, and let's just get into the consistency. This scrub is made with your everyday natural ingredients, and I'm going to use it to exfoliate my skin to get it all nice, lush, and ready. So this homemade soap by my amazing husband has, of course, blessed my face. Okay, like everyone always asks, what do I use? And this is it, honey. Let me show y'all the consistency. I'm about to wash right now. Right here, you can really get into how lathered my face is by me just using my husband's soap. As I'm letting my soap rest and sit on my face while it does its magic, I'm going to use my sugar scrub. I usually create my sugar scrubs, but I wanted to use this one from Victoria's Secret, and I actually like it. And now for the results. Look at that. Skin is glowing, it's fresh and clean. And this is what we want to see. So if y'all want to get you some, I'll leave the information in the description. And I'll make sure Bae hook y'all up. Now that my face is all clean and fresh, I'm going to apply my butters by Nek Ezcema butters. And this is my twin's company. I actually do not have eczema, however, her butters work wonders for those with sensitive skin like moi. And I'm just applying it on the areas that have dark marks and just rubbing it in around my face. Look at that. Smooth like butter. Get you some butters by Nek and your skin will thank you, like mine. Okay, y'all, nails are on and I'm feeling good. I feel great. This is just one of the many ways that I like to relax after a stressful week at work. Well, if you stuck around, thank you, and I'll see y'all till next time.